before, I just want to say, please don't kill me, because I like beauty video girls. I mean, yeah, they're cool. But I tell you what's not cool? This. I do my hair every day. Every night before I go to sleep, I twist it and I plait it and I do that to my whole hair and I leave it overnight, and then in the morning it looks absolutely gorgeous. So we're going to start with a little bit of contouring, really, really gently. Down there. Oh no. Now we're just going to apply some lip plumper. And it is going to tingle a little bit, but not that badly, you won't really notice it, and it will be worth it. No. Why would anyone do that? Cotton bit is your eyebrows. I'm gonna load up my cotton bud. There we go. Oh no. Oh no. And she died of slug eyebrows. Fantastic! And now that we've got our eyebrows done and we're going to look gorgeous like Cara Delevingne. No. Ah! Next, concealer. And this is just gonna conceal any imperfections under your skin. Oh Lord Jesus, why? I look ill. So we're just gonna go along the line of your eyes. There we go. And we're gonna look really, really gorgeous. Oh no. I'm gonna put on a bit of red for a hot, smoky eye. A bit more from my palette. And then we're just gonna look beautiful. And it's gonna have a nice effect. We're just going to pop this on and you're going to get a nice rosy flush. Oh, I don't look flushed. It's time to put on our red lipstick. We're going to pull off a nice red lip. Beautiful. Guys, this is the end of my everyday makeup tutorial. I look awful. Maybe it only works on beautiful people. Guys, I'm leaning to this side so you can't see that that's where I did the series. It's not working, is it? No, I didn't think so. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. It means the world to me. Like if you enjoyed, comment on what you think I should do next. My soul is yours. And subscribe as a little good luck to getting all this crap off my face. Yay! See you next video. Oh my god, that's disgusting. No. Don't ever try and cough flamboyantly or funny. It's no.